Hello, guys. This is Lord from our studios where we discuss our favorite pop culture content, whether it's movies, comics, mangas, animes, and we love to discuss it with each other as siblings. And recently, we have included you guys into these discussions. So, guys, say hello.
Hello
Thank
everyone.
you.
Hello
Thank you
Fatma,
for all
Rabia,
the love.
Afia.
Hello.
I love your background, Afia.
It's
Thank
amazing.
you.
I
So,
just
you
wanna
guys watch
add
Superman?
I just wanna add one thing before we start. I wanna say thank you to all those who supported us, liked what we are trying to do. I am so grateful for all the love. Thank you.
Yeah, that was unexpected because usually you don't get so many interactions on your first video. Then, yeah, I was glad to see so many people liking our video, right? It was amazing.
Absolutely.
और हम साल में सुपरमैन देखी ली और हमने कहा कि नेक्स्ट हम इसी मूवी पे डिस्कशन करते हैं बिकॉज वी रियली एंजॉयड इट सो बेसिकली सुपरमैन I mean, it's not really an origin story. Film में दिखाया हुआ है कि it's already been 3 years since Superman has introduced himself as the superhero. I think what I liked about the Superman is how confidently this new Superman has been introduced to us.
Yeah. So the cast is really good.
The cast
Superman
was-
से
Yeah,
Superman
it's spot on.
when
I
it
think
comes
everyone
when
looked good in their
Superman से
character.
लेके मेरे doubts थे, but other than Superman मुझे cast बड़ी अच्छी लगी थी.
Well, since I am a Henry Cavill fan, so I was a bit, tad bit disappointed because I love Henry Cavill as Superman. But
Yeah.
the guy did good job.
Yeah, I
नहीं,
mean,
I think casting बहुत अच्छी थी.
I just love watching James Gunn की movies. So it's,
Oh,
whether it's
Gunn-
Marvel or DC,
Gunn
I'm a
directed.
big fan of James Gunn.
This time I have decided to divide the discussion into 6 segments. So we can start with what we like, what we didn't like, what we would change, character breakdown, mid and post credit scene, box office performance, and then final thoughts. In 6 segments में हम अपना discussion divide कर लेते हैं. Right, guys? I liked about the movie is that it was about legacy, what kind of a legacy you're leaving behind, identity, and truth and justice. Truth or justice of all kind of in the cynical world, कितना मुश्किल हो गया. Plus the Metropolis, जो world building थी, वो बहुत अच्छी थी. Metropolis felt really alive. Everybody in the Metropolis felt really alive. Character orientation बहुत अच्छी थी. Everybody got the chance to shine on the screen. The way the movie was shot and how colorful it was, लग रहा था कि
Yes.
movie came out of the comic books and everything.
that was a
And
huge risk, by the way.
like
That
about
Gunn
the
took.
movie. What did you guys like about the movie?
Yeah, Fatma, go ahead and then I'll take
Okay,
the ending.
well, we all know that James Gunn is amazing. I'm a huge fan. Everybody is. Whoever watches and follows James Gunn, we know that whatever will come from James Gunn, it will be amazing and magical. So I love the
I
way
love
he
it.
connected the political tension and, of course, the emotional side of it. And at one point, Superman questioned that what is the purpose? And to be honest, we all question our purpose. Why are we
Yeah.
even here? Right? So
And he's like Superman. His level is even his stakes are even
Yeah,
higher.
exactly.
Yeah.
It's like the god. Yeah.
So at one point, Superman was shown thinking, does the world really, need me? And what should I do? When you question your whole existence. And I really, really loved Lex as villain. Amazing.
Man,
And
he
I
did a great
loved,
job.
especially when the whole message and the whole purpose of what Superman was supposed to do was revealed. It was beautiful. It was amazing. And I loved the flashbacks of Martha and Kent. I love it. I mean, when you are stuck between two realities and you don't know which one to choose. So I think this is something that I really, really liked and loved about the Superman.
Yeah.
That's true. That's true. Emma,
Chalo,
what do you
मैं
think?
अब I'll share what what I liked honestly because this is coming from a huge Snyderverse fan and when the first trailer came out I was like oh my god what is James Gunn doing?
It was
क्योंकि
on your watch
हमें
list.
आदत थी I was I really liked what Snyder was doing by the way I people will not agree with me or वो disagree करेंगे but I loved the direction of Snyder but it didn't work out because there were so many challenges उसके बीच में बेटी she passed away there was so much going on in Snyder's life and I don't think so he was able to do justice with Justice League and the whole DC thing but मुझे वो जो dark tone थी ना सुपरमैन की और वो सारी जिस तरफ वो लेके जा रहा था, I wanted to see it, and I really wanted Snyderverse to come back and deliver what he wanted to deliver, and I really like the Snyder cut of the Justice League as well. Anyway, so when the trailer came out, I was like, no way, I don't want to see this movie. There's too much going on. Itne zyada colors. It doesn't look like a good Superman movie. I didn't like Superman. जो उन्होंने cast किया था, I was like, oh no
And
way, I'm
plus,
not
of
gonna
course,
watch it.
since we all are Henry Cavill fans,
He
so we
wants to
had our
substitute
biases.
the-
Yeah,
they
but
got the-
but when I saw it, I mean, the visuals, because James Gunn, उसने experiment कर लिया हुआ है Guardians of the Galaxy से, so he has a very good idea what resonates with the audience, and it was made for the audience. The movie, it wasn't made for just the comic fans. It was made for the people who actually love going to a cinema. They want a very good visual experience. So yeah, the movie is. And it has a very good visual tone. Superman के जो robots थे, it was eerie and they were very cool. मुझे बहुत जबरदस्त लगे थे. Overall जो palette था, yeah, the palette was vibrant. At the same time, it was not cartoonish, right? So वो बड़ी मजे की feel उसने mix करके ना दिया गाने, और yeah, kudos to गान. उसने जब भी कुछ करता है तो वो कमाल ही करता है वैसे. So I had my doubts, but of course movie देखने के बाद चेंज हो गया था. सिनेमाटोग्राफी भी ऐसी थी कि उन्होंने ऐसे लाइट्स और शेडोज यूज किए हैं जिससे सुपरमैन के ना इमोशनल स्टेट रिफ्लेक्ट हो रहे हैं. सो एवरीथिंग वाज वेरी गुड. एक सिंक में लग रहा था सब कुछ, राइट? और स्पेशली जो सीन थे जो आई थिंक फोटोज ऑफ सॉलिट्यूड में थे, उसका पूरा जो सिनेमाटोग्राफी थी, इट वाज really good, and I James Gunn managed to keep the focus on character even during the most explosive moments, like which is rare in a superhero film. So yeah, overall it was a very good watch, a very good cinematic experience, and I think yeah.
There was
So
absolutely
I think DC is back. I mean, I think everybody's saying so. DC
You
is
would
back.
also say that when his parents' message was really decoded, कि ऐसे तो कहना क्या चाह रहे थे, that was the full message जब उन्होंने viral किया है, let me first, I think that was a very interesting part. So there are two other characters I also like. Their girlfriend and the photographer for the Daily Slant. I think उन दोनों के
Oh
character
yeah.
की वजह से भी
I-
काफी
I agree.
Superman, won in the end because of that.
Yeah.
So guys,
yeah.
we have discussed what we liked. Moving on to the next segment, what we did
Yeah,
and
let's
anybody would
go.
like to go.
Segment number 2.
Segment. So I guess what I didn't like, I think there aren't a lot of things because I feel like it was a काफी overall एक अच्छी movie लिखी हुई थी, and the way it was presented, everything was good. I think like presenting Lex Luthor as like the villain, what makes him an atrocious villain. So उसका वो जो subplot था pocket universe के बारे में, like he had a pocket universe there.
Hmm.
उसका वो जो subplot था उस पे वो थोड़ा under explained था. Otherwise yeah, very nice.
Yeah.
I think there was nothing that I didn't like as such. Of course, it was a very good movie. It was a treat for eyes. But I think जो Lex की back story थी वो थोड़ी missing थी. We all could see the tension. We all could see that Lex had resentment towards Superman. So I think that was the side and the part of the story which could have been explored, which they could explore.
Also,
But they
yeah.
didn't. Maybe they left it for the audience. But there are sometimes there are things that you need the answers for. There are certain questions you need the answers for. So I think for me the backstory, I mean जैसे उन्होंने Kate और Martha के flashbacks के scenes दिखाए, and then I think they could have done the same with the Lex being. Maybe I'm thinking they might want
Yeah,
to
you're right.
take off
Yeah.
for Lex, but I think that इतनी भी उसकी ज़रूरत नहीं है. But अगर वो उस movie में ही दिखा देते तो it could have served the purpose. But that was
Yeah.
the only little thing that I didn't like.
No,
Otherwise,
very little things. Otherwise, movie was.
Yeah. So I think, I think let me share my, remarks on the things that I didn't like. I think especially मैं final battle पे बात करूँगा. I think it lacked heart and emotions, right? I think गन ने बहुत ज़्यादा visuals और cinematography पे काम किया. But story वहाँ पे final battle में ना वो there was something missing, and so imagine अगर Martha and Louis were directly endangered, so it would have added urgency, right? And a personal consequence to that final battle. I think that was missing. Visuals again stunning, the whole metropolis ripping apart. It was brilliant. So yeah, it was a treat to an eye. I mean, just like Fatma said. But yeah, the heart and there was something missing from that final battle. I think थोड़ा उसको मजीद इनको उसके अंदर कुछ emotions थोड़े add करने चाहिए थे. So yeah, the final battle it lacked emotions. अगर मैं इसकी बात करूं कि जो चीज मुझे पसंद नहीं है, so that's the only thing that I think इनको final battle पे थोड़ा story पे काम करना चाहिए था, rather than putting so much work on visuals and overall, जो feel है movie की. Yeah. So it felt like it's like the city is ripping apart into this kind of a black hole. It was amazing, but yeah, it lacked motion. So yeah.
I will also like to add one
Yes,
thing. That
Shubham.
movie, the movie came at a point where I think we and the whole, what can we say? The world needs it. The compassion, the
Yeah.
empathy, right? Standing for the truth more badly than ever.
Hmm. Yeah. Okay, I think let's move on to the next
तो
segment,
काफी
guys.
थोड़ा इसीलिए वजह से उस मूवी को थोड़ा बैकलैश भी फेस करना पड़ा ना, तो दैट्स वेरी
But overall, I think
Well,
it's a
if
success.
if you are the bad people and movies hinting at the bad people will know.
Yeah,
Don't
exactly.
be the bad people.
Yeah. I mean, nobody likes a bully.
कि असल
Nobody
में
likes a bully, yeah.
comics और movies are about the same villains. It's just for the super villains है ना, वो real हो गए हैं. They are in real life.
सही बात है. सही बात है.
And their monopoly and controlling the world
Yeah.
and spreading the fear.
Exactly.
Yep. You guys are right. Yeah, the real world needs a Superman as well. Yeah.
You know what?
I mean,
All
but-
these, ये जो सारे billionaires हैं ना, they should invest in like a superhero robot that can go
हाँ,
around and save
so
the
that
world. It's
ताकि वो
terrible.
वाला
Yeah, it's
अल्ट्रॉन वाला सीन हो जाए और वो सारा
Yeah.
डेटा फीड करे अपने अंदर और अल्ट्रॉन बन जाए हैं
Yeah.
और वो इन रिटर्न दुनिया को तबाह कर दे.
instead of taking trips to space, they should combine
हाँ,
all of their wealth and come up with this
Yeah, we
huge,
don't-
strong, super intellectual, super strong robot who can
Hmm.
save the world
Yeah.
and save people.
ऐसे ही है.
Instead.
Yeah,
So anyway,
probably
that's what
but-
we liked about the movie. What we didn't like about the movie. Moving on to the third segment, what we would change.
What-
Guys, what do you guys
yeah.
think?
There aren't a lot of things that I would like to see. It takes a lot of effort, money, and a lot of other things to make that kind of film. So it's very easy to judge and criticize, but I think Bob Girl का character थोड़ा ज़्यादा और होना चाहिए था. और other than that, I think it's a very well-made movie. So there aren't a lot of things that I would like to change. It's a well-made.
I think
Yeah.
Justice Gang. I think considering there was a Superman movie, फिर भी they got a good screen time. All the Justice Gang. I'm sure in the coming movie we'll get to see more of them. 'Cause they were interesting. They are very interesting. Justice Gang. Fatma, what do you say?
As we pretty much agree that there was nothing much to be changed. It was a beautifully and well-oriented movie. I think I wanted to see the more villainous side of Lex rather than he was, being shown as a incredibly genius person. But then if somebody who's obsessed with something, I could, relate कि ठीक है आपके जो obsession होते हैं, it can make you go crazy, it can make you go out there and do crazy things. तो उसकी जो obsession थी with Superman, it was absolutely phenomenal and it was absolutely shown in a very very obsessive manner. तो मुझे बहुत मजा आया उसको देखने में. The
वो
real
जेम्स
obsession.
गन कह रहा था ना, या जेम्स गन कह रहा था लेक्स लूथर सुपरमैन को ऐसे देखता है जैसे आर्टिस्ट एआई को देखते हैं. Existential crisis.
Yeah, exactly.
And then it makes complete
बात
sense.
है.
Oh, अच्छा.
So I think let me just conclude this
But
segment.
yeah,
I
what
think
about
I would remove a couple of side characters, and I think Superman को थोड़ा ज़्यादा screen time दे देते उन characters को side पे करके. But I think Gunn का कोई plan था उन characters को introduce करने का, जो कि मेरे ख्याल से अगर उसको side पे भी कर देते और अगर गन थोड़ा सा मजीद टाइम स्पेंड करता on the Clark and persona, और अगर वो मजीद डायनेमिक्स के अंदर जाता जो डायनेमिक्स लुइस और लेक्स के हैं, तो आई थिंक मैं वो इंस्टेड ऑफ रादर
Louis
देन
and
वाचिंग दो साइड कैरेक्टर्स मैं उनके डायनेमिक्स को मजीद इन डेप्थ में देखना चाह रहा था. या सो दैट्स द ओनली थिंग दैट आई थिंक आई वुड लाइक टू चेंज. अदर देन दैट इट्स लाइक it's a pretty good watch. I mean, honestly,
Yeah.
nothing much to change, but yeah, थोड़ा सा मजीद और सुपरमैन देख लेते. Yeah, so that's my take on it. Yeah.
So let's move on to the fourth segment, which is character breakdown. So starting off with Superman, I think ये वाला जो version था Superman का by James Gunn and David Corenswet, I think it showed a very vulnerable and emotional side of Superman. So that was pretty cool. Plus, he was trying to be a symbol in the world, even though he wasn't sure if the world even needs a symbol. So, Fatma, what did you think?
Would love to mention that scene where Superman was giving that speech to Lex. That speech, those words, they were so chilling. The speech
Hmm.
was just so compassionate. It was so
Yeah.
moving that,
Yes.
it was
Not
fine
speech,
chilling.
speaking.
So I think the characters were very, very well researched. They were
I agree.
beautifully portrayed, and I think actors also did an amazing job. As we already mentioned, that I already had, bias because Henry Cavill and I love, we all love him as
yeah.
Superman.
Yeah.
खैर मुझे तो विचर से भी प्रॉब्लम है लेकिन विचर की बात करेंगे Superman. लेकिन the actor he did a great job. I made myself even from when the movie started and he was shown in the snow. डायरेक्टर ने उसी पर ग्रीन कर लिया था ऑडियंस सो
Yeah.
वो सीन से ही उसका देखने का मजा आया आई थिंक
Yeah.
दैट्स प्रीटी मच अबाउट इट
I'd just like to add,
I have really liked Nathan Fillion का कैरेक्टर ग्रीन लैंटर्न लुइस लेन जब उसको एथिकली और मॉरली क्रॉस क्वेश्चनिंग कर रही होती है सुपरमैन को आई थिंक दैट इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट सीन्स ऑफ द मूवी ऑन डिफरेंट शेड्स दिखाए हुए हैं हर कैरेक्टर गुड एंड बैड हर किसी में गुड और बैड क्वालिटीज होती हैं तो वो भी चीज दिखाने की कोशिश की गई है
Yeah, that's true.
Abby, I think you're.
Yeah,
do you
so
wanna-
मैं तो बात करूंगा Nicholas Hoult पे and I think you guys remember we were a huge fan of him since the X-Men times. Beast.
yeah,
Oh my god.
So मैं तो उस वक्त से उसका
Of his
fan हूँ और
ideas?
Luthor, he was the Beast in X-Men Afia, the X-Men
yeah.
movie.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, he was the Beast. So वहाँ से ही तो
Afia, how can you not know?
So yeah, I mean हम सारे बहुत बड़े fan थे. Anyway, so yeah,
मुझे लगा था निकलस हॉल्ट पता नहीं कैसे लेक्स लूथर बनेगा why is he लेक्स लूथर but यार he has done justice to his character
But you know,
बहुत
this
अच्छा
is the
उसने लेक्स
beauty.
लूथर
This
portray
is the
किया
beauty.
he is manipulative, he is charismatic, he is always 10-20 steps ahead, right? Proper typical comic Luthor उन्होंने बनाया है और वो ही represent किया है, right? Especially जो उसका plan था Ultraman को, and the way he engineered a black hole to, fracture Earth, right? So that was classic Lex Luthor. So yeah, मुझे बड़ा मजा आया उसका जो his pocket portal to for jumps from one place to other, and the diabolical scheme to keep all the meta human in the void, in which he had Superman in for a bit as well. So it was diabolical, classic Luthor. मुझे तो बहुत मजा आया. I mean, I've never seen इस तरह का Lex मैंने पुरानी किसी Superman movies में नहीं देखा. So he is definitely one of my favorite characters in the movie. So I think
I
Luthor
think
को
the
अगर निकाल दो ना.
limelight was basically the limelight was divided between the
Yeah.
villain and the
Luthor,
superhero.
I
yeah, I
know,
mean, amazing. Nicholas Hoult
Superman.
has done a remarkable job, and he has done justice to Luthor. और क्लासिक लेक्स लूथर हमें देखने को मिला है इस वाली सुपरमैन में जो आई थिंक मिसिंग वेरिएबल था फ्रॉम द पास्ट सुपरमैन मूवीज तो Afia, what do you think? I mean,
So I
let's
guess
hear yours.
just going with her since this character breakdown, we obviously have to talk about Justice Gang. I think I finally got to see Hawkgirl in a movie of that scale because I think she has been in some shows, but I did this
Hawkgirl थी उसमें Black Adam में. She was in
Black Adam. This time, yeah, she was in like a movie of such big scale, and even the actress Isabella Merced, I think she has done a really good job at it. She brought her own personality to Hawkgirl, and she was believable and enlightening. That's the scene
Very
where
good
where she killed the president of Boravia. वो वाला scene, even though people have given mixed reactions to it, I think even that was quite impactful. I think so. Yeah, Guy Gardner, I think played by Nathan Fillion. I think that was pretty cool. I think he's a jerk in the comics, and he was a big fat jerk in the movies too. He portrayed that really well. And whatever Nathan Fillion plays, I think he brings his own twist to it. And this time around, I think he was brilliant as the Torch guy. And the third one, Mr. Terrific. I was surprised by the entry of Mr. Terrific in the movie. I think it was something very unexpected. I'm glad I got to see him because he was amazing like throughout. I think he stole the light from so many other characters so many times in the movie. I think, and he had some brilliant moments in the movie. I think especially that fight scene when he puts like Louis Lane in a barrier. वो वाला जो सारा scene था ना from 360-degree, the way it was shot. I think that was really cool. So
Yeah,
that
I
was
think
just
there are three characters.
Yes.
I think there are three very amazing characters. Lex Luthor, who played by Nicholas Hoult. नेथन फिलियन का कैरेक्टर ग्रीन लैंटर्न और मिस्टर टेरेफिक का जो तीनों जो ये तीन कैरेक्टर थे ना, आई थिंक दे वर really amazing.
I love
I
Mr.
told this
Terrific.
many
They
times.
were
Yeah,
these three characters were really amazing, who have just lifted the story, have just lifted the movie a lot.
Mm.
These three.
yeah. And let's not forget Metamorpho. Person who
Oh.
can transform into any
Yeah.
element. I think that was
That
crazy.
art
played
was
by,
my favorite too, by the way. I think I
played
forgot
by
to
the amazing
mention it.
Anthony Gilligan. Yeah.
I was
uh,
continuously feeling bad for his kid, जो कि सामने उसके कैद था और वो he was torturing Superman just because of his son was captured by Lex
No,
Luthor.
so the son of
Bada,
Gilligan.
very very emotional scene, but still he decided to help Superman. I think good character. और वो बेबी मुझे बहुत cute लग रहा था, even though he was
Yeah,
an alien.
सही बात है. I
nice
think,
CGI.
Alien,
I think
but he was a very cute baby alien.
let's not forget about Crypto. I mean, the
And-
super dog is
Oh,
adorable,
God.
surprisingly useful, यार. और जो
I
bond उन्होंने दिखा दिया ना उसका Superman के साथ, it added levity and heart. That every pet owner, especially Afia, we can relate to their relationship,
I
right?
think you,
Right,
both of you.
right,
Yeah, and the twist that he's actually Kara's dog. I mean, amazing, loved it, yeah. Yeah, Crypto.
Crypto
मजा
had
आया
my
Crypto को.
heart right from the start. Even
Crypto
when
ने मजा दे दिया.
I was watching the movie, I started writing notes. The first thing that I wrote was cute dog.
Yeah.
That was my first note.
उन्होंने कहा था.
Yeah.
And
Yeah,
I think
overall,
the
yeah.
engineer in Lex Luthor's team was pretty cool. Her nano technology, Superman had a hard time with that. So shout out to the engineer as well. And then Supergirl, last but not least, the entry of Supergirl into DCU. I think that's brilliant. The fact that he
Yeah,
was
Mighty and
babysitting.
Cock.
Superman was babysitting Supergirl's dog for her. I think that was so cute. और उनका जो bond था Supergirl का और Crypto का, I think that was really cute.
Yeah, that was
So
yeah.
that's Supergirl's
Supergirl,
entry
yeah.
was quite
बहुत मजे
impactful.
की entry.
Because of people are left anticipating Supergirl movie now. Like,
Millie Alcock, वो House of Dragon पे ही चढ़ी है, Millie Alcock.
वो what?
Yeah.
वो तो
Very
भाई
fine
वो
actress. Very,
House of Dragons,
very
House of
sharp
Dragons.
actress.
Yeah,
Very
House
sharp
of
actress.
Dragons से ही I think she got
Yeah.
famous and now she's doing multiple roles. वो एक ड्रामा आ रहा है Siren, उसमें भी है.
That was a
Siren,
very
yeah.
good series. I watched it.
हाँ,
Yeah.
और
Millie
yeah,
Alcock.
तो काफी ज्यादा fame मिली है House of
Hmm.
Dragons. What's next up?
so
Next up,
moving
yeah.
on to the fifth segment, which is mid and post credit scene. I think I really like
Okay.
the mid and post credit scene of the movies because they weren't like teasing the next movie. Instead, they were shedding more light into the characters and the way they are. Especially the last scene है जिसमें मून के ऊपर बैठे हैं Superman and Crypto, the way they're hugging each other and
was
all that. So
so
rather like teasing the
beautiful.
next movie, but like shedding more light into the bond of the characters. So I think that was pretty cute. Plus, I especially loved the post credit scene of Superman.
So
The
the final
whole
act.
movie was a thesis on Superman, ki what makes him human, and I mean, obviously he's a human. He said something and then he regret many क्यों कहा. Like you
Exactly.
cannot be any more human than that. So I think
Exactly.
that mid credit, that post credit scene was brilliant because it was entire 2 hours movie in a nutshell.
Yeah,
And we
yeah.
all could relate that regretting is that big part of our life that we always
Yeah,
think on.
which makes us human, right? Yeah.
Yeah. It's a great way to end a movie, right? If tease nahi kar raha, it ended with the personality, right? And it
Hmm.
tells us who these characters are, not just where they're going, right? So it's just this living in the moment, not thinking about what's going to happen next, right? So yeah, so it was a very nice way to end a
And
movie.
even in all the chaotic moments of your life, we all need somebody that we can connect to and just
Exactly.
need the moment for once.
You need that connection, yeah. वो basic human connection जो आपका है, वो भी दिखाया है, right? I mean that's essential for your sanity, right? So yeah.
Yeah. So I
that
think
was-
When you're a
connection.
survivor,
So yeah. So connection and regrets, these are part of human life. So यही
Yes.
दिखाऊंगा.
yeah,
So you need
yeah.
to connect to somebody that you can feel relaxed with, and you being a human, you have regrets.
Hmm.
So that's what also defines Superman too.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a refreshing change, by the way. It's a very refreshing change, especially Supergirl bhi dal di, Peacemaker bhi aaya, Maxwell Lord, all of these characters making appearances, and so I feel like DCU is alive. It is, it is back, and at the same time, it's not overcrowded, right? So yeah, okay.
So yeah, post credit, mid credit scenes पे हमने बात कर ली. Let's talk
हाँ.
about the box office performance. I think movie का budget was 225 million, and as of now, movie has made 600 million something on the
Wow.
box office, which I think are great numbers
Yeah,
considering that
so
this is the
movie
first
has
Superman
movie has done a good business. और दूसरी बात ये कि a lot of people were not expecting कि इतना business करेगी, क्योंकि people were like that can't be as good as Marvel, but no, it's even I think better. DC Superman I think so far ये movie बहुत चली है और लोगों ने बहुत पसंद की है, and वो लोगों को पसंद करनी भी चाहिए थी because it's a very well made movie I would say. So doing a good business on the box office वो अच्छा है, ठीक है, good.
Yes.
And
would you-
plus, it
would
has
the Fatma-
83% on Rotten Tomatoes and 91% score, audience
No,
score.
even the critics thought it was a
Huge,
good score
huge
by the
numbers.
critics as well.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
yeah, it's definitely, and it proves something important, guys. Yeah, people still care about comic book movies, but if you have a refreshing point of view and
Yeah.
visual, right, and dynamics that you have not seen before, and I think Gunn has done it. So it added a refreshing point and visuals into it. So yeah, I think people they do want to see comic book movies, but I think उसने वो direction दे दिया Gunn ने, right? So with Superman, right, you tell a story with heart and purpose. And it resonates, right? That's the key. So yeah, people do want to watch comic book movies. It's not like they don't want to watch it. So just add something new and refreshing to it with exceptional visuals as well, right? So yeah.
Let's talk about the last segment, final thoughts.
Oh wow.
So for my final thoughts, I love how confidently James Gunn has given his vision for the Superman. It's a vulnerable Superman. It's a grounded Superman, and the visual grandeur of the movie of the franchise looks brilliant. And the movie dares to ask what truth and justice means among all its craziness, like kaiju's and big monsters. So I think that those are my final thoughts. And it has and people are interested in DCU again. People are anticipating DCU again. I think मैंने इतना interest कभी भी नहीं देखा Supergirl में. People are anticipating the
they
next movie, which is Supergirl. They are anticipating all the coming movies in the DCU now. So I think that's great. I think so. Great job with this new entry in DCU by James Gunn.
Yeah, I would
Also like to say कि yeah, great job, good character, good story, good characterizations, action, सब कुछ बहुत अच्छे तरीके से justify किया गया है मूवी में, बहुत अच्छा दिखाया गया है. और सुपरमैन का कैरेक्टर played by David Cornswet, I have become a huge fan. I have seen him in Look Both Ways. उसमें भी बहुत अच्छा था. तो I was curious कि ये सुपरमैन कैसे play करता है, and I think he has done a good job. सारे कैरेक्टर्स ही बहुत अच्छे हैं. लाइक आई हैव सेड बिफोर कि मैंने नेथन फिलियन का कैरेक्टर बहुत एंजॉय किया है, एंड आई थिंक नेथन फिलियन एज आई सेड बिफोर कि वो जो भी कैरेक्टर प्ले करता है ही आल्सो पुट हिज ओन ट्विस्ट टू इट. टेरिफिक, ग्रीन लैंटर्न, हॉक गर्ल, ईव, जिमी, ये सारे कैरेक्टर्स, क्रिप्टो, अमेजिंग कैरेक्टर्स. So final thoughts are like good about the movie.
Yeah, true. Guys, Fatma,
Fatma, what do you think?
That's what I think. So if we are talking about numbers, so it will be 9 out of 10 for me. So I think it was a
I think just
beautiful-
clarity के साथ, especially जो each and every character has been portrayed by James Gunn, I think that was really cool too.
So yeah, I
Uh,
believe it's a new beginning, and I'm all in. So and then the mix of myth, emotions, and the modern storytelling, it makes this Superman feel timeless, right? And with the DCU finally finding its footing, this film sets the bar, and I think it's not a movie; it's a statement, right? And I
Yeah.
cannot wait to watch what comes next, right? And
Yeah.
that's
Me
my
too,
final
me too.
So
I just
now that
cannot
we have
wait.
more high expectations, so Superman has raised the bar.
Yeah, it has. As I said, it's not a movie; it's a statement, right? And I think this is what Gunn wanted. वो चाह रहा था कि एक statement बना दे वो इस movie को.
So
और उसने
now
वो काम किया.
we all have something to look forward to, especially when
Yeah,
it
we
comes
have.
to DC.
Go
Okay,
ahead.
so guys, thank you for sharing your thoughts with me. It's time to sign off. It's very clear that we all enjoyed Superman, and we can't
Keep
wait to get
loving,
more
keep
from
supporting.
DCU.
Yeah, I mean,
And
do
all the-
share what you guys like in the comment section and
Yeah, but you
subscribe it,
guys
guys.
can-
Movie
in the
or
comment
series
section.
we should do. next.
Yeah, and share it with your friends, families, geeks, because we are all movie geeks and
Yeah,
love
we
theater.
all
So
are. We
just
all.
share it with like-minded people and show some love. Show just comment in the comment section कि आप लोगों का favorite part कौन सा था. If you guys resonate with what we are saying, if you guys think that हमने इसको अच्छे तरीके से cover किया नहीं किया, what you guys liked, what you guys didn't like, what you guys wanted to change about the movie. Yeah. So let's just because our goal is to create a community, a family. जिसको हम साथ लेके चलें, so we would love your reviews and your
That's true,
comments
that's
as
true.
well, so that we can keep on making it better for
Looking
you
for
guys.
the people
Yeah,
who
Keep
are
on
like
improving
us.
you and make it better.
Yeah, we also
Very
need
good.
like-minded people जो कि हमारी तरह ही movie junkies हों और
For more community, we want to welcome you in the family, right? So we want to treat you guys as a family. So let's just show some love and what you guys want to see in the future. And that's it, guys. Appreciate Rabia, Fatma, Afia.
So
I'll
Celebrate
chat with
we
you
all,
girls
that's a
soon.
ritual. I mean that's a ritual. We always decide which movie we are going to do next. So
Okay, go ahead.
I think Fantastic Four maybe कर लेते हैं next.
Yeah,
So
I
guys,
think that's it, guys. Thank you for taking our time. Take care. Bye bye. After तुम तो सो जाओ, right? See you in the next video.